Salam guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, we are in Onsen. It's a convenience store that opens 24/7 here in Japan. You are hungry in the middle of the night, you want to print some documents, you want to get some drink, you just come here. It has bathroom as well. It's a very beautiful place here in Japan. You get snacks as well if you feel that you need something. But yeah, I love it here, and come to Japan, Habibi. So I'm just gonna show you inside and how it's like and what you can get and what you can get. But most cases you can get food, snacks and drinks. Yeah, so I'm gonna put my bicycle here, and so let's go inside. This is it. I'm just gonna, this looks good. They have ice cream. They have snacks. But the thing is, most of the food here is not halal. So, like you see, they have soya ramen, soy ramen. But like when you check the ingredient here, most of it's not. Oh, they even have spaghetti. And good thing is that they have the expiration dates here. Yeah, like until, okay, this one I don't know, sorry. No, they have crispy fried noodles. What can I buy? Not coffee either. I don't know what to buy. Oh, these are porks. It's not for me. Banana. So imagine this is the price of it, and after tax is like 298. It's so expensive. The question is, are convenience stores really halal friendly? Not sure, not at all. Maybe the one you can buy, I'll just show you the full view of this place. Right. Oh. Guys, honestly, when you live in first world country, you don't even need to cook because everything is here. See? Like for this one, you just put it in the microwave and then that's it. Ramen, shio chicken flavor. I really don't know if they sell this one for no. But definitely I need to buy like a drink. Oh, the fruit. One thing that is so expensive in Japan, yeah, is fruit. Very, very expensive. So, yeah. These are the snacks here, like chips, sweets here. Chocolates, you know. Oh, this chocolate is from Ghana, guys. This is Ghana chocolate. Ghana. That's why when they see you are black, you say you're from Africa, the first thing they mention is like, are you from Ghana? Like, no, I'm not from Ghana. Oh, you see, they have this one here. Like anime, bro. Animation in Japan. Oh, they have also here beautification for lip chargers. Oh, you can even sit here and eat. See? That's an ATM here. Here it's also when you wanna pray. Oh, sorry, not pray, but print, smash, blah blah blah. And that's the bathroom. The bathroom smells so good, guys. I'm not gonna lie. How much is it? Yo, 2,000. That's too much for me. People who drink alcohol. Yeah, great. So the thing about convenience stores here, the moment you enter it says "Irashaimase." That means you are welcome. I don't know, but yeah. Like these are coffee. They also have matcha here for people who like matcha. I have a long journey, so these are all alcohol like drinks, so it's not for me. Normal Fanta, sorry. I'm saying the grape squash, but I'm still thinking. So thank you guys, and this is just the convenience store. It's called Lawson, so I'm not sure I'm gonna get anything here, but it was good. It was good showing you around. So I just wanted to show you it inside, and it's called Lawson, yeah. So salam alaikum, bye bye, love you all.